I've caught it.
It is currently... You can't see it. Oh.
10:09.
No, I was going to say the 1st of January 2025. Me and Joe are starting this year off
With illnesses.
in bed.
That's not a good start, is it?
Ill in bed. So hopefully the rest of the year is better than this.
Hopefully.
Read this text word for word. We'll paraphrase it. Where are we? Oh, yeah, I can ask you, Kim, to tell us something.
We're at Sheringham Park. You can see the sea over there, look.
We're on the tower.
Oh yeah, you can see the sea.
Yeah.
It is nice. It's a bee?
Fly.
Oh yeah.
If it was a bee, I'd run away.
Best
Such
friends.
interesting footage for your vlog.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday! Yeah! Is it?
Sunday.
The date.
Have you got 11?
Hang on,
It's
look.
Bonnie's
I'm looking it
birthday.
up. It's the 11th of May.
Why are you looking?
Because what is tomorrow, Dad? It's a very important.
12th of May?
Yeah.
And what is why is that important?
Start of the week.
That's the week before I go on holiday.
No, Dad. 20 years ago. It was the happiest day of your life.
Well, I don't know about that. Your birthday.
It is my birthday. Thank goodness someone said it. They think you're gonna lose. Only because you can't see. Who do you think's gonna win?
I think Joe and Jade are going to win. Jake and Katie are going to win.
Win.
Joe and Jade.
Who do you think's gonna win? Me. Who do you think? You and Joe. That's what happened. You can't say. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. You can't say yourself. Who do you think's gonna win? That's so nice. Where are we going?
Gatwick!
We're driving to Gatwick. We've had our dinner. I've had about 5 people's portions of dinner.
So I had 5 chicken selects, 2 double cheeseburgers, and large fries.
And what's wrong with that?
That's a wham croissant.
Taste test. Cheers. Look at him just chilling. Where are we?
Oslo!
Have you enjoyed Oslo?
Yeah.
What's been your favourite part? I like the museum.
Yeah, I like the Munch Museum.
I think it's Monk, but we keep saying Munch.
Put like a little something over
Edward
the
Monk.
top of the letter.
Edward Monk. I feel weird. I feel like I'm vlogging and like I don't know. I feel awkward. The sun's out though today. It's a bit chilly.
Cold this morning.
A bit chilly. We've got the gilets on. Ooh. Greenery. Explain why we're on a train.
Because we're going to Bergen.
We're going across country today. We're doing this excursion where it takes you on like a cruise and everything.
Although our cruise has been delayed.
Our cruise got cancelled and has been delayed for 2 hours, which we didn't know about till just now. Till some friendly Norwegians just told us.
And then we were like,
they were like, did you get the email?
About?
And we were like, what email? My name's Jade Bonner-Taylor and I'm about to enter the fjord zone. Three, 2, 1. It's pretty cold. It's a bit nippy. But look at the view. Ooh. Now get me a
Such a small little girl.
So Joe went to the bar to get 2 beers and came up with a tasting pot. He's very happy with himself.
Smell test.
And it's like beer.
Yep. This one's a amber ale. I normally hate ales.
Oh god.
That's alright for an ale. You need to take bigger sips than that.
It's okay. Next. Go on. What's it smell like? Piss? Oh, it looks thick. Not good?
It's like a blonde beer.
Speed running. It smells like a brew dog.
Yep.
I really like that one. That was good.
Sample
Next.
porter.
I'm not gonna like this. Don't like that. We're on a boat. I'm about to go along the fjord, which was supposed to happen 2 hours ago, but it's fine. Where are we today?
We're on our,
our last
penultimate
day.
day, but tomorrow we go to the airport, but like,
Today's our last full day in
4 o'clock
Norway.
in the morning. But we're in Bergen for our last day
We arrived here yesterday after
at like
our long
11
journey.
o'clock.
Also, Jade's ill. She got given a cold.
She's only got sore throat. She's milking it a bit, I think.
Oh, okay. Bit rude. What was your experience yesterday like?
It was
10 out of 10?
12 out of 10 experience.
Got the beveraginos in
Mango beveraginos.
with a view for the last day.
Oh yeah.
Did you ever get a message about that taxi, by the way?
No.
We booked a taxi, but I mean, I hope we booked a taxi.
You might message like, I don't know.
Fingers crossed we've booked a taxi to the airport. Who knows?
We can ask when we go back.
Yeah. Anyway, yeah, got the bevs in with a view. Feels like proper holiday now. This is the view. This is all of Bergen. We were down there earlier because that's where the fish market is. Goat. Mountain goat. The fish? I think we've stumbled across our first reindeer. It's looking right at us, Joe. We haven't seen a reindeer yet. That is one, isn't it? It's got fluffy horns. Joe, you had one.
I had him in a hot tub.
You had him in a hot tub. Yeah. He's quite far away. There's Joe and the reindeer. What are we doing?
We strawberry picking. Jane's got better strawberries than me.
I have kind of gone first though.
Do you want me to show them your fit?
Okay, yeah, you can do. It's still recording.
How do I do it?
Just to hold it. This is the
Outfit of the
strawberry
day. Oh my god, it's so cute. Get it, girl. Get it,
We're in
girl.
the same place we were last year. Got obviously these are the straws. I think we should go down that way.
Okay. Do you want to take the camera?
Loads, yeah.
Let's go.
At least you haven't asked me what to say. Normally you're like, what do I say?
Well, that looks like a good one. No, it doesn't.
Mouldy?
Mouldy.
Go back that way. Yeah, then we could. I should have sent you a message. Soz girl.
We're going to see Billie Eilish.
How do you get this shit off? Look at his face.
He's up.
Where are we going later?
Why are they hanging
Turn this TV off, turn this TV off.
Are you excited to be here?
I'm I'm very excited.
I want the 2 drinks, honestly.
I don't like either of them.
What day of the year is it, guys?
Beer festival.
Okay, that's not a day, but yeah.
August the 8th.
August 8th.
2025.
Yep, and we are at the
Beer festival.
He's got a killer haircut.
Oh, fiddlesticks.
What?
I haven't put my float on and I've just put the hook on.
Is that bad?
Yep.
How many girls does it take to get rid of a spider? 7. The answer is 8 because that's how many spiders you eat in a year. Right, Chloe?
No, that's a lie.
Does anyone have anything to say for the next year?
Cheers.
Oh! Is that the one? What day is it?
Halloween. Guess what? Who I am.
Who is Kim, guys? Who is she?
That's cute.
Is it?
Yeah. What does she have her hair like? Should we cut a bobbin?
No.
Welcome to Halloween 2025.
Actually, it's not. It's Christmas. Obviously, it's Christmas.
The 21st of December 2025.
We're currently Christmas dinner cooking. Uh-oh. Is that my phone? Which time is that? Oh gosh. So funny.
You amazing. Yeah, that one.
What we doing, Dad?
We're doing our favourite part of the tree. The lights.
This is me shaking my head with the camera. It is our least favourite job. Okay, what day is it?
It's Christmas Eve. It's Christmas Eve.